The best tool to determine if a journal uses the peer review process to select its articles is Ulrichsweb. To access Ulrichsweb, go to the UTM Library website at utm.library.utoronto.ca. Type Ulrichsweb as one word into the library search box and click the search button. You should see a large red box with what's supposed to be a red U in it. Next to that, click View Result, and that will take you into the library search record for Ulrichsweb. From here, click the blue link labeled ulrichsweb.com. Now that you are in Ulrichsweb, remember to type in the journal title, not the article title. We often talk about needing peer-reviewed articles. What we mean by this is that we need articles from journals that use a peer review process to select the articles that they will publish. For instance, if we had this article, Board Games Before from the journal Board Game Studies Journal, we need to search for Board Game Studies Journal. If this journal uses a peer review process to select articles, then the articles that are in it will be peer-reviewed. So let's go ahead and type in Board Game Studies Journal, and let's see if it uses a peer review process or not. Click the search button. We see Board Game Studies Journal right at the top. See this little black and white referee jersey icon? That means the journal uses a peer review process to select the articles that it will publish. You should feel confident then that the articles in the journal are peer-reviewed. But one note of caution. Do make sure that your item is in fact an article and not something else like a book review or a letter to the editor or some other item which might be published in a journal but is not in fact an article in the sense that your instructors mean, which usually means a research article. For instance, you might notice that this item is listed as editorial material and is only 2 pages long. It is not a research article. So when you find items, make sure to open them up and take a little extra time to at least skim through them and ideally read them just to make sure that you have a research article. Getting back to our example, we see that Board Game Studies Journal uses a peer review process to select articles, and that the article itself is a research article. If you still have doubts about whether the journal is peer-reviewed, or if you would like to search through the journal directly or just want to know more about a particular journal, click on the journal title in Ulrichsweb to enter the record for that journal, and you can learn more about it. In most instances, the record in Ulrichsweb will have a link to the journal's website. Click that, and you should now be able to access the journal. If you need any help, feel free to stop by the reference desk at the library. Email us at refdesk.utm@utoronto.ca or use the online chat from the UTM Library homepage, and we can help.